This video guide is about removing the fake browser update alerts associated with the website Restorefreeextremelythefile.vip. This is a fake browser update alert that may attack Google Chrome browsers primarily. The real mission of these fake alerts is to force people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. The pop-up initially claims that this is some recommended ad blocker extension installation, but if the extension is mistakenly installed, a lot of crucial browser settings may be changed without the customer's permission. For instance, the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab may be changed. So this is all happening because of these fake alerts, fake browser update alerts from the website Restorefreeextremelythefile.vip. You should not trust these deceitful messages. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So then disable and delete any third-party extensions you might find here. To make sure that your system is free of other threats, I strongly advise scanning the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and start researching your device with its help in order to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats from your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.